Small business marketing in 2025 comes with its own set of challenges. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through them. You might think, I can't afford to compete with the big players. But here's the truth. It's about working smarter, not harder. Use affordable tools, double down on what works, and make every dollar count. Every day, there's a new platform, tool, or trend. It's overwhelming. But guess what? You don't have to master them all. Stick to the basics: a strong website, a social media presence, and automated marketing tools to save time. Start with one tool, like MarketinGear's MAP, and grow from there. Creating content feels like running on a hamster wheel, non-stop. But there's a smarter way. Repurpose your best-performing content. Turn one idea into a blog, a video, and 10 social media posts. At MarketinGear, we simplify marketing for small businesses. Affordable solutions, powerful tools, proven results. Let us help you turn challenges into opportunities. Visit our website now